Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some vocal warm-ups and exercises that focus on vocal tone. Everyone has a unique instrument that produces a unique timbre or vocal quality. Singers and vocal instructors use a lot of different language, a lot of different words to talk about these qualities and colors. It is my hope that you will experiment freely and of course safely to see what different sounds your voice can produce. Check in briefly with your alignment and breathing. Take a couple of low, slow breaths, feeling your abdomen release and expand gently on the inhale. Let's sigh out. Again, releasing any tension. The vocal mechanism has many moving parts. These first couple of exercises will focus on freedom and relaxation with a focus on phonation without worrying too much about resonance or tone color. We're just going to get things vibrating and moving. Let's glide on a lip trill like now to an NG sound. Let's try. I like to slide through those last two notes, but you can do them cleanly if you'd like to today. Here we go. The space that we create in our vocal tract has a lot to do with the tone we produce. We're now going to sing on a very bright creaky door sound on an E, like E. Don't worry too much about producing a finished product sort of sound. We're specifically not creating a ton of space. We really want the vocal folds to vibrate efficiently. Here we go. up and move to a rounded, darker za za za. Like za 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 za. Aim for relaxation in the tongue and jaw. Here we go. Za 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 za. I wanted to make sure that you know about my mobile app for singers that is full of some of my very best vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's available on both the app and Google Play stores. It's commercial free, and it has an option to save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. I've gotten great feedback on it, and it's a great way to support my work if you've gotten value from it. Now we're going to explore tone through different vowel sounds and space. Some instructors like to ask singers to keep a bit of yawn in the sound. This can be a good way to develop a warm tone, but we want to be careful not to let the tongue pull back when we're thinking of yawning, as that will create kind of a stuffy or swallowed tone. But we do want a little bit of that space. We're going to sing on li le la lo lu, like li le la lo lu, and go li le la lo lu, li le la lo lu, li le la lo lu. Check in now for any excess tension. Let's focus on really relaxing the voice and all of the muscles that help it. We're going to sing now with a sighing feeling on the sounds sa la sa la sa, sa la sa la sa. Here we go. Sa la sa la sa, sa la sa la sa, sa la sa la sa. Retaining some of that relaxed sigh in the voice, we're going to descend on ya ya ya, like ya ya ya, ya ya ya, ya ya ya. on nyah, nyah, like nyah, 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 nyah. This will help with efficiency and brightness, but we also want to make sure that we're not overdoing anything with too much tension. I'm not purposefully making this ugly, we just want it to be bright and a little bit released while staying engaged. Here we go. Nyah, 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 nyah. 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 Let's move to singing a more sustained line. This will help with breath control and tone. We're going to sing on he, ah, alternating like he, ah, he, ah, he. You can experiment with finding similarities and differences between the e and the ah as we go. And he, ah, he, ah, he. Through two more vowels while we relax the tongue, just using the tip of the tongue on li, lu, li, like li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, and go li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, lu, li, li, lu, Finally, let's move through a broader range as we sing the lyrics I sigh to sing. Use these words to help keep rounded space in the mouth and throat, and don't be afraid to spend some air on the octave jump at the beginning. We'll start pretty low. It sounds like this. I sigh to sing. Here we go. I sigh to sing. 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 I for singing with me. Keep experimenting fearlessly with your voice. I'll see you next time.